8 tips to increase profits and sales for your business. How to make your business more profitable. 1. Cut overhead by automating almost everything. Accounting, reporting, voicemail, ordering, fulfillment, customer service, sales. 3. Cut variable expenses by redesigning, re-engineering how work gets done, how the product is produced. This should be a continual process and second nature to you. 3. Cut variable expenses by negotiating with suppliers. If you're seeking higher profits, you'll need your suppliers to reinvent themselves too. The smart suppliers will be empowered by your request. 4. Increase productivity by expecting 50% to 100% more from everyone. Yes, really. That much more. And give them the best tools and training needed to produce more, without stress. 5. Leverage your strengths by extending the product service line. If you can easily add supplemental products, or customized versions, at the same profit margin, your overall profit should increase. 6. Each quarter, challenge your assumptions about your industry and your company. Profit is always temporary. What keeps profits increasing long-term is staying in touch with an always changing marketplace, industry. 7. Experiment with new ideas, new types of products, and new processes. Invest 1% of sales into making boo-boos, radical experiments, intuitively based decisions, think tank getaways, whatever is beyond the 9 dots. 8. Have and hire only employees who continually impress you with their initiative and competence. Let everyone else go. Increasing profits come from great employees, not average ones.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video.